Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a OnePlus Nord CE 5 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's find, first of all, let's find the Play Store, and before we'll enter it, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. And secondly, you will be able to follow all of my steps if you've got your Google account added to the device. If not, you can check our tutorial of how to do it, or you can do it on your own after entering the Play Store. Alright, so let's open it, and then let's tap on the circle in the right upper corner, which is your account. Then let's tap on Manage Apps and Device, and tap on Manage. Let's tap on Updates Available, and here we've got the list of the apps which we can update. So all you have to do is to basically mark those which you wish. You can of course mark all of them, and then tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And now your device will download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.